Savvy Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Links to the Savvy app are in the description below. Savvy is a budgeting app designed to help users gain a clear understanding of their finances, manage their expenses, and track their savings goals effortlessly. It's made for individuals looking for a straightforward and intuitive budgeting tool that doesn't overwhelm them with unnecessary features. Whether you're new to budgeting or just looking for a simple, easy-to-use app to manage your money, Savvy delivers exactly what you need. One of the key features of Savvy is its automatic expense tracking. By linking your bank accounts and credit cards to the app, Savvy automatically categorizes your transactions, giving you a real-time overview of where your money is going. The clean, user-friendly dashboard makes it easy to see your spending habits, and you can adjust categories and set spending limits to stay on track. Another great feature is the goal-setting tool. Whether you're saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, Savvy allows you to set financial goals and track your progress. The app gives you visual insights to help you stay motivated and ensure you're hitting your targets. Savvy also provides budget planning and bill tracking. You can easily create a monthly budget, set limits for each spending category, and track your bills and upcoming payments to avoid late fees. For users looking to keep things simple, the app removes the complexity of more advanced financial tools, focusing on essentials that really matter. In addition to its core features, Savvy also offers data encryption, ensuring your sensitive information is secure. It's the perfect solution for users who need a straightforward way to manage their money, set financial goals, and improve their savings without the need for an overly complicated interface. If you're looking for a simple yet effective budgeting app, Savvy is worth checking out. The link to download it is in the description below.